Good afternoon, YouTube. Today we are going to do a video about what is in my food bag for my overnight backpacking trip. It's not that cold today. It's only going to get down to like 27 overnight. However, it's also not going to be very hot, so that means I can bring a lot of good food. So I'd love to show you what I have. All right, to kick it off, this is what I'll be doing my cooking in today. I have my pot here. I have a Jetboil pan as well as a plate. Got other stuff. That'll be in my actual backpacking video. You don't need to see all of it. But normally I would keep that in my food bag, but my food bag's a little more full than it typically is. So to start off, I got my bear hang. That's very important. Cannot go without that here. There's black bears everywhere, so can't take a risk. Trash bag. Never go on trail without a trash bag. I don't care what you bring, what type of meal. Always bring a trash bag to, one, keep the trash from touching your gear when you put it in your pack, and two, to keep yourself from littering. Be responsible. All right, this is what I'm about to eat right now. I got 3 tortillas, and I am about to make some chicken tacos. Some salsa to go with that. I also have some shredded cheese. And then the bulk of the meal is some canned, pouched white chunk chicken and some taco seasoning. So that's gonna be lunch. Now right below that is my condiments bag as well as drinks. So I have my I have my Cafe Bustelo coffee mixes. I have Diablo sauce from Taco Bell, some salt and pepper, some mustard for a meal I'm gonna have later. I have some Walmart branded electrolytes in here and some ghee, and that's gonna be used for every meal pretty much, just to keep it from sticking to my pan. For a snack that I'm gonna have a little bit after lunch, I have cheese and beef, chomps, really good. A moon pie, because who doesn't like moon pies, especially banana? Come on, and it somewhat survived the trip, so I'll take it. Some Werther's Originals, which are already half empty because I was eating them throughout the day in my pocket. Some Sour Patch Kids. These are probably what I'm going to be eating on the way out tomorrow. I have a whole onion, and I'm going to be splitting this between all 3 of my meals. My first meal is the chicken tacos, as I've said. My second meal, you're going to see us in a second, you'll see why. And then the third meal, again, you'll see why this is going to come into all 3. So for my second meal, I have some hot Italian sausages. And again, I can bring these fresh without having to worry about them going bad just because of the temperature outside right now. It's basically a natural refrigerator. So I'm really excited for these. I'm gonna have some green peppers and onions on some hoagies that did not go in my food bag. These actually sat near the top of my pack and they somewhat survived. I got the green pepper to go along with that meal. For a snack right before going in the tent later to stay warm from your body heating you overnight, I have some sweet and spicy peanuts and also some pepperoni and cheese Slim Jim. So really good to have meats, cheeses, nuts, stuff that's really fatty to keep you warm overnight. If you eat right before going in your tent at night and going to bed, your body will use that and as it's burning the calories, heat you. So it's a great way to stay a little warmer overnight. This will be lunch tomorrow. Just rice and beans with tuna, spicy pepper. Really good, love those. And I skipped right past my breakfast apparently, but here's a little more cheese to go with my breakfast. And for breakfast, I have some fresh baby potatoes that I'm gonna chop into like little cubes for some home fries, some egg powder to make some scrambled eggs, and lastly, for breakfast, some bacon bits to fry up with that. Could have brought fresh bacon and the eggs, but honestly, I just wanted to be lazy this time. And finally, snack for tomorrow, cheese and meat stick. So this is probably more than I need. Honestly, I prefer bringing a little extra food. There's definitely times where I'm more hungry than other times, and there's times I barely eat anything. But more often than not, when I'm out here, I eat more than I expect. So that's a lot more food than most people probably bring, but it works for me. How about you? Do you bring too much food, too little food? What works for you? Let me know. Tell me, what type of foods do you bring out on trail? Do you tend to just cook dehydrated meals, cook fresh meals? What about your snacks? Do you have kind of cheese and meats, bring protein bars? Let me know and everyone else know what you bring. But yeah, thank you everyone. I hope you have a great day.